For the first time since Derek Chauvin was stabbed in prison, we are hearing from his attorney tonight. Lou Goose joins us with what he had to say. Lou?
Rena, Derek Chauvin's parents weren't contacted by prison officials until yesterday. His attorney says he's troubled by the lack of communication and information that they're receiving. Was he stabbed as a retaliation to the whole George Floyd case?
We have no idea.
Attorney Bill Moorman, who represented former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin in his appeals, is frustrated by the lack of communication and information he's received since Chauvin was stabbed Friday by a fellow inmate at the federal prison in Tucson, Arizona.
Our office has not been contacted by the prison whatsoever.
Chauvin has been at the Tucson facility since he was sentenced in summer 2022 for violating George Floyd's civil rights. The sentence overlaps his term for his second-degree murder conviction in state court. The Bureau of Prisons said employees performed life-saving measures after the assault until an ambulance could take Chauvin to the hospital.
Somebody needs to be charged with a crime for doing that to him. He's there to serve a sentence that was issued by, both the state and federal courts here. He should not be subject to this kind of harm. It's additional punishment.
Is the federal Tucson prison safe for an inmate such as Derek Chauvin?
Last I spoke to Derek, he certainly felt safe there. He was in the general population. He had a job. He was working, had a good bunkmate. Things were fine for him.
Chauvin's appeals have been denied and fully exhausted. His release date from federal prison is set for May of 2038. Moorman says Chauvin should be able to serve his time safely.
Regardless what anyone thinks about Derek, he has parents. They obviously care for him.
Minnesota Attorney General Keith Ellison was briefed on the attack Friday. In a statement, Ellison said, "I am sad to hear that Derek Chauvin was the target of violence. He was duly convicted of his crimes, and like any incarcerated individual, he should be able to serve his sentence without fear of retaliation or violence."